Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I know all of us are craving to go home and rest for the long day. I'll make it very quick. So today we are not talking about any tech product here. We are going to do a MVP launch of our product. Uh, Before I tell you what Polytrade is, let me tell you what we are trying to solve here. So we know that world trade basically moves through trade finance. 80 to 90% of the world trade today depends on trade finance. And I don't know whether this will surprise you or not, but 60% of the trade finance requests raised by SMEs are declined today. And what could be the reason for that? So let me tell you the size of the market we are talking about. So we have $1.6 trillion of gap in SME requests rejected today. And as per World Economic Forum, this will increase to $2.5 trillion by 2025. It's a big number, right? And why would these SME requests are being rejected? Pretty simple issues. Whenever a SME walks into a bank, he's being asked for collateral. If he doesn't have a collateral, he goes to traditional trade finance funds where the cost of borrowing is so high that he cannot survive his margins. And finally, even if he crosses two stages, he is generally declined because his ticket sizes are too small, right? So people want to finance only bigger invoices. What happens to an exporter with a $10,000 invoice? Well, he gets rejected. And in spite of all that, even if he passes the third stage, the processes, the paperwork is so cumbersome in the traditional industry that by the time he gets the finance, the purpose is already defined. So these are few pointers why most of the rejections happen in the SME space. Now, how do we intend to solve these problems? What Polytrade is doing is Polytrade is harnessing the massive crypto liquidity and trying to bring it to fuel the working capital of SMEs. We have been doing this business for last 8 years. We have financed over $500 million of invoices, and we understand that crypto liquidity is one of the solutions for this problem. What Polytrade necessarily is a bridge between DeFi and CeFi, and I know this is a very hot topic in the industry where people are talking about the real use case of blockchain as well as crypto. Well, we are trying to solve one of that. So, as I mentioned earlier, the processes are so cumbersome that a borrower gets onboarded, his KYCs, his credit checks, physical visits. I mean, it takes a couple of months to approve any financing. What we have developed at Polytrade is a seamless platform where a borrower gets onboarded, he gets his invoices approved, and he gets his finance in a jiffy. So, and of course, we are powered by blockchain. That makes the process very simple, seamless, and transparent to avoid any frauds, to avoid any scams. So what's in it for crypto users, right? I'm talking about SMEs, borrowers. What's in it for us? So what we are developing is a lending protocol similar to Aave and Compound. The only difference is when you deposit liquidity in stable coins, your money is not being used by crypto users, but it is being deployed into real-world assets. And yeah, first of all of us here in this room do not ever get access to trade finance as an asset class because it's only for institutions and banks. By bringing in this platform through Polytrade, you can partner with us into a trade finance asset class where you're financing invoices of Marks & Spencer, Walmart's, IKEA, and likes of A-rated buyers across the globe. Why would we put funds into any protocol? Of course, for decent APYs, which gives you decent returns over a period of time. Ooh, so what's crypto winter-proof? Well, when you put money into any protocol, you see that during bear crypto markets, your APYs just dry up. While in the bull market, you get decent APYs. So how could we make it winter-proof? By putting money into real-world assets where your APYs are being designed as per the demand of the market, not by a bear and bull market of the crypto space. Okay, no need to laugh here. Dual protection, in very simple terms, our smart contracts are protected by insurance companies. And if at all Walmart goes bankrupt another day, we have a credit insurance place which takes care of our default scenarios in the real world as well. So here is our MVP for all of you. Yep, I hope you get your energy back. Um, just to finish up here, let me take you to the next slide before give you this treat. Today, we are announcing our testnet date, 10th of January 22 at 10 hours. Our testnet will be live from now, and mainnet will be live just in a couple of months. Going back to the previous slide, which you all were waiting for, so please do scan the QR code, and please subscribe to us for a free airdrop up to $15,000. And we have our booth outside, so we are here tomorrow as well. Any information about Polytrade, please feel free to come and talk to our team. And I guess that's a good evening from Polytrade. Thank you.